out, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Let your lower back relax there. There we go.
Okay.
How'd that feel?
Better.
It feels good. All right, very good. Just relax right here for me. Good. Very good. The adjustment's very gentle, and it doesn't really need to be hard, but it's very effective in getting the mobility restored in the spine, which is going to make her feel a whole lot better.
There we go. Good. And just breathe normal. Perfect. These are just Palmer diversified thoracic adjustments. And you notice I'm getting the contact with my thenar eminence, which is this part of my hand here, and you notice I'm putting a little rotation in it, and I put exactly the right angle of the joints in there too. Well, that one moved good too. And then start in his lower thoracic, move up. I'm gonna put your head down just a little bit there. Okay. Very good. Notice the angles on my arms and hands and placement change as I move up the spine. There we go. Now I've got one more. I can feel it right here. There it is. Excellent. That was right at T12, which is the...
Let your breath all the way out.
Alright, this is not going to be easy for you, mate. I'll make it as gentle as I can. Okay, slowly come off there.
Component to it. And then we're going to drop L5 straight. P to A are in the Z axis, all the way L3, L2, and L1. You can see the angles on my arm changing. Now in these thoracolumbar, that moved really well. Mid-thoracics, this is also Palmer diversified adjusting. Also the upper mid-back. Boy, you're moving good today. Excellent.
To breathe out. Okay. Up. Try it again. Right there. Quick. Quick. Oh, down. Down. Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you.
Let that air all the way out and just relax on the table. Here we go. Does that feel okay?
That felt great.
Good. Definitely some tightness in your back. Work must have been a little bit stressful today, huh?
I heard that one. Big breath in and out. There you go. Big one.
Breathe out. And just relax your hip there for me. There we go. Perfect. Did you feel that move?
Yes.
How'd that feel?
Holy moly.
Holy moly. Breathe out for me there. There we go. Did you feel that move?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Perfect. It moves this way. Perfect.
We're just going to ease a few ribs off to the side here. There we go. Now we're going to come through the thoracic area. This will help quiet the sympathetic nervous system and turn on those hunter killer cells to get in there and help finish off whatever's inside your body.
That hurt.
Press harder.
I don't want to hurt.
See if you press harder.
I'm sorry.
It doesn't hurt. It feels nice.
Sorry.
Take a big breath for me, Lise. Nope. Good. Let's go again. Big breath. One more time. That's good.
Her sacrum is what attaches there, and the sacrum goes down like this, and then it goes right down there onto the base of her tailbone. And just let me have your hip right there. Just like that. That a girl. A little bit. I'm going to have you come over. Good. Breathe out there for me. Perfect. Now, I'm going to have you come over. Good. Breathe out there for me. Perfect. Now, I'm going to have you come over. Good. Breathe out there for me. Perfect.
Okay, we're gonna start at the top, Jay. So big breath in and out. Good job again.
Donc, et je vais déroter et je vais tomber sur la vertèbre.
L1 there, and now we're going to get down to his lower thoracic. Here I'm going to open these joints up a little bit. There we go. That's about T10, T7-8, and T5-6. And up here is T3-4, and I'm going to get a little higher and see if I can get T1, T2 here too.
Like, do you want it like right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Where else?
Like lower.
Right here?
Yeah, I think so.
Ooh!
That was Ew.
Yeah, perfect. Good job. Boy, oh boy. Okay, just let all your out. Okay. That's it. Keep breathing.
And you might feel or hear that cracker pop along the low back. Good.
And all the way out. Just come back with me. Beautiful. Beautiful. And you just relax. I don't know if you can hear those cracks.
Subite levas siajn brakojn.
The final thrust is directed with your right arm towards the table in a cephalic direction.
Okay. This is lower thoracic, mid thoracic. Excellent. He's moving really well everywhere. There we go. Yeah. That's it. Got him all the way up.
That's it. Let your right arm hang over the side. That way. Face up for me.
Yeah, let me do that with him and our equipment back and y'all up. Yeah. Thanks so much. Thank you.
You needed that. Good job.
Is a great exercise for people who are having chiropractic care if they do it properly. Oh yeah. One more. Put your head down a little bit. That's it. Okay, got one. That's all of them. Yep, there we go. One more.